Erstwhile Team Anna members say they want UPA second to get a special team to probe coal block allocations full stop. Else they will file a PIL to expose it. They also plan to Gherio assorted VVIP residences full stop. Arvind Kejriwal, Prashant Bhushan and others anti-corruption luminaries evidently need to stay in the news full stop, especially now that the BJP is grabbing more headlines by absurdly demanding the Prime Minister's head full stop. This time, however, the anti-graft crusaders are careful to bash both Congress and BJP full stop. They will possibly say it's for the good cause of impartiality, promoting what Kejriwal calls total revolution full stop. Targeting rotten politics, they have been harking in spirit back to Jayaprakash Narayan's Sampuran Kranti of the mid 1970s, which aimed at defeating graft and authoritarianism full stop. Note that JP had called for a peaceful movement to protect civil liberties full stop. Today's anti-graft crusaders say much the same thing full stop. Expect that Kejriwal's associate Bhushan had a curious way of phrasing it recently when explaining why Team Anna minus Anna has gone political full stop. He was quoted as saying full stop. If the nation is not given a political alternative at a critical juncture, then this country is heading towards civil war full stop. According to him, if there has to be a non-violent revolution full stop, it has to be through elections full stop. Conjuring apocalyptic visions, he warned India needed saving from chaos, from anarchy, from civil war full stop. But why say if there has to be a non-violent revolution question mark? Why if question mark? Why raise the bogey of civil war, which is necessarily violent question mark? Why project Messrs. Kejriwal, Bhushan and co as some sort of last wall supposedly standing against armed insurrection question mark? Why outlandishly claim that India will see anarchy unless activists turn savior politicians question mark? Where's the evidence of popular resistiveness threatening to spill blood full stop? Activism for good causes is fine full stop. What's not is activist rhetoric that even remotely suggests that ends good causes justify violent means full stop. Bhushan will say he suggested no such thing and he could be right full stop. So it's unfortunate he should sound like intellectuals such as Arundhati Roy, who are given to talking casually about civil war as some kind of option to doctrinal non-violence full stop. Free India emerged from non-violent struggle full stop. Facing emergency or voter disgust with corruption. Remember Boforo's question mark. Its institutions have proved supple enough to weaken power elites that seek to shove statist solutions down unwilling throats. Full stop. This isn't to say politics does not need faster reform to thwart corruption driven supervision of democratic rights. Full stop. But incremental change through sustained civil society pressure is infinitely preferable if the alternative is radical change by a bloody civil strife. Full stop. To legions of thinkers, revolution has been an end in itself. The line between peaceful and violent often blurring. Full stop. Curiously, they have been more articulate railing against the system than when proposing alternatives. Full stop. Marx critiqued exploitations but describing communist Arcadia, he was rather tongue-tied. Full stop. The state shall wither away, he signed off. Full stop. Close.